welcome and welcome back to yet another video. So for today, I thought I would switch things up just a little bit and share with you all my nighttime routine, including how I preserve my wash and go overnight. So that is where we will start. It's real simple. I really just take these hair ties and band the roots. That's all that I do. I only have 5 right now, so I just grab any section. See how easy Fred just separates. I'm really gentle, but I just make sure it's tight to the root. I don't even like band down. I don't feel like my hair is long enough for that. It's not really necessary. I like the thicker, fuller look. So I really just take sections of my hair like that. I can be a little gentle with that. This is the wash and go from the Do. That's the last video I did, yeah. This is the wash and go from that Do video. So I did that wash and go on, when did I do that? Monday? No, it couldn't have been Monday. It was Tuesday. I did it on Tuesday. So it was basically all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday, and all day Thursday. So definitely washing Fred tomorrow. Because, I mean, he looks okay, but he's kind of dry. And thank the Lord he's not tangled, as you can see. But yeah, I just put my hair in 5 different sections. Literally takes no time, and I just make sure it's as close to the root as possible. If I can find these exact hair ties, I will have them linked in the description, as well as all the products that I use in my nighttime routine and my cute little robe from Amazon. But this is just the best way for me to preserve my wash and go. That's it. All right, so on to the skincare portion. I'm just gonna go in and wash my face with the kale and green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser from Youth to the People. I really like it. It's lightweight. It's very cleansing. It's not exfoliating. It's not too harsh. It's a very gentle cleanser. So one thing that I really love about this cleanser is that it is 100% vegan. It's very lightly fragranted. It just kind of has like a earthy smell, nothing too overpowering for me. I do only use it once a day, and that's typically at night because it does a really good job of cleaning out my pores and kind of taking the day off. My skin is typically dry, so I feel like if I use this twice a day, it might overall dry my skin out. But using it at night, I don't mind because I usually follow up with toners and serums and oils. And by the end of it, my skin feels pretty great. So yeah, this cleanser can be kind of pricey, but I like that it's vegan and there's no sulfates and no phthalates and none of that bad stuff. So I don't mind the price. I'm just not saying you absolutely need it. I just enjoy it. I love using these cotton tissue pads. I'm so glad Jasmine elevated your girl and introduced me to these instead of using washcloths, because it's so much better for your skin. Like, this is the best thing ever. But anyways, so I'm not gonna go in with a toner. I am going to go in with some of the Med Spa Edition Complexion Correction Peel Pads from Urban Skin RX. It contains retinol, 15% glycolic acid, and salicylic acid. This ain't for the weak or meek at all, but I use these once or twice a week. They can be pretty strong, and I typically only do it at night just in case if I get any irritation, nobody will see it. Like, it'll be fine by in the morning. And that's also why I didn't want to use anything exfoliating, because I don't want to irritate my skin or be super harsh. I don't really like to exfoliate in these colder months. So I just apply this liberally. It's like serious. And I do it slowly because I feel like I want to be gentle with my skin. Make sure we're getting the neck. If you know, like, I know you saw me wash just my face, but I literally washed my neck in the shower. So like, there's no need to wash it again. Just in case you were wondering. You can definitely feel a tingling sensation, and even though these are called peel pads, it's not that your skin that anything is gonna peel off. They're just called peel pads. And I don't think I told you, but these are said to improve the appearance of uneven skin tones, breakouts, fine lines, and pore sizes. And my pores are just, my skincare routine just hasn't been on par lately. But we're getting back to it. I'm in a better place now. Consistency is key. Okay. If you're no stranger to my channel, then I am following up with the Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence, which I just love. It just makes, I just feel like my products just really soak into my skin so much better when I use this. And I just pat it on. Oh, where's my fan? I gotta get my fan. Hold please. Had my fan charging. I had to go get him. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Urban Skin RX Ready Glow Gentle Resurfacing Night Oil with, I can't say it, coochie oil? I don't know. I'll put it out there. I don't know. But like, ever since I saw Urban Skin RX featured in this night oil, I've seen a couple other brands start marketing it. So 4 drops. Faren from the future here, and it says that bakuchiol is a plant-based alternative to retinol. So this oil contains vitamin C, salicylic acid, and BHAs, and it's really good for fighting dark spots, dehydrated skin, dull skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin. So, and you can use 4 to 6 drops. I only used 4, and it says to let it dry completely before moving on with the rest of your routine. And last but not least, I just used the Wishful Honey Balm as my nighttime moisturizer. I know I've used this before on my channel. I just really like that it is lavender scented, calming, smoothing, and it's moisturizing. It's so creamy. It just feels so nice. But yeah, this is just a regular nighttime with me. Nothing special, nothing too crazy. Like, my skin is just kind of doing its own thing right now. So once I get back on track, we'll be looking summertime fine before you know it. You feel me? Yes. Okay, well, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, all the items will be linked in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Good night.